Welcome guys, I am Iron Man. Let's see today's topic. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram so you never miss our updates. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. There's a reason why Boston Dynamics robots are so good at dancing. It's not just to show off their impressive capabilities, which are a massive step up from earlier models. It's about more than just getting millions of views on YouTube. Robotic workforces have made Musk and Bezos the richest men on Earth by taking over jobs that humans used to do. Could AI make 1 billion human jobs obsolete by 2030, as one report suggests? Or will they work alongside us? Musk recently predicted that AI will become much smarter than humans within the next 5 years. Is that really possible? You're watching Iron Man's Jarvis. When you order from Amazon, your package is likely handled by one of 200,000 robots working alongside 300,000 humans. But soon, the robots might outnumber the humans. These bots have driven over 2 million miles in Amazon's warehouses, halved mistakes, and boosted worker productivity by 400%. Though human rights reporting points out that Amazon's working conditions for human employees still need improvement. Amazon also invested $1 billion in Zoox, a self-driving car company. These cars can drive forward and backward without needing to turn around. And Amazon Scout delivery bots are hitting the streets, with some states giving them the same rights as pedestrians. But these ground robots might be replaced by drones when Amazon Prime Air takes off, aiming to deliver products within 30 minutes of clicking Order Now. Amazon invested in Aurora to develop an air traffic control system for these drone deliveries. And you've probably interacted with Amazon's AI through Alexa or your phone's virtual assistant. Even their April Fool's joke about an airship delivery hub could become a reality since Amazon filed a real patent for it. Gradually, humans are being removed from these processes. Elon Musk's Tesla robots are also making a big impact. Tesla created some of the world's largest industrial robots, named after X-Men characters. They said, "To us, the robots are like superheroes, so they deserve superhero names." The production starts with a coil of aluminum, which is flattened, laser cut, and pressed into shape, creating a new part every 6 seconds. More robots assemble these parts and pass them to a team of spray painting robots. The car's shell then moves through assembly on an autonomous cart, with robots installing seats and windshields. It takes just 3 days to make a Model 3. These robots are essentially building a vast fleet of more robots, as each car can fully self-drive. Musk may beat Bezos to 1 million robots, with plans for self-driving Teslas to act as taxis, predicting 20 million per year by 2030. Hey, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates and more exciting news. This shift could replace many common jobs in the US states. Amazon's robots are replacing retail jobs, the most common in the US. As robots increase Amazon's output and decrease costs, other retailers are struggling to compete. Bezos's Blue Origin and Musk's SpaceX also use AI to control rockets. And if we reach Mars, robots will likely outnumber humans. While robots can outperform us, the scariest part for Musk is AI's potential. Musk, who founded an AI research firm, said AI could be vastly smarter than humans in 5 years, making things unstable or weird. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates. South Korea has 800 industrial robots per 10,000 humans. In some restaurants, robots serve customers, threatening jobs in the service sector. Hyundai, which bought Boston Dynamics, gave robots their dancing makeover. DJI created the largest fleet of robots, with over 1 million drones used in fields like agriculture and wind farms. Automation firms use autonomous vehicles, like Volvo's HX1 dumper. AI guidance systems using GPS, cameras, LiDAR, and radar allow machines to work around the clock. Boston Dynamics robot Dog Spot is used in construction, patrolling, and inspecting sites, and even in mines and nuclear plants. Spot can carry objects, open doors, and operate switches. It's used in search and rescue and may one day clear rubble in disaster zones. Automation poses risks. AI could make 1 billion jobs obsolete in the next decade while creating 15 trillion of wealth for a few. Many jobs, from chefs to marketing teams, may be automated. Even entertainment voiceovers might be done by AI someday. Boston Dynamics tried to show off Spot's capabilities positively, but darker potentials exist. Someone mounted paintball guns on Spot robots, which Boston Dynamics tried to stop. The company wants to distance itself from military robots. Ghost Robotics creates military robots, like one for bomb disposal. Swarm drones, an immediate military threat, can autonomously hunt targets, and there's no defense against them yet. Thousands of experts are calling for a ban on autonomous weapons. The challenge of superintelligent AI, or the singularity, where AI surpasses human intelligence, looms large. Moore's law, which predicts computing power doubling every 2 years, might reach its limit. Quantum computers, which work with probabilities, could accelerate AI progress dramatically. AI algorithms that evolve by themselves are another breakthrough. Some researchers think AI could discover new approaches to AI. Predictions for superintelligence vary, but it could arrive suddenly. Google's AI, GPT-3, taught itself to write by analyzing billions of pages of text, hinting at this weirdness Musk mentioned. GPT-3 could be used to create convincing fake news, showing the risks of advanced AI. AI and robots will take jobs, especially grueling and dangerous ones, requiring societal changes for positive impacts. Musk suggests universal basic income to allow people to focus on creative work. Like past revolutions, we determine the impacts of the AI revolution. Learning from past mistakes, we can do better this time. Iron Man's Jarvis is just getting started on YouTube, so let us know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more, and follow me on Instagram for the latest updates.